Right, welcome back to another Coins to Collect video, and today, as you can see, I have got some post to open, and I've been saving these up from the beginning of March, I think. I've got 3 of these sort of, you know, little sort of zippy unlock ones. They're quite like those too, but this one is really heavy. That is packed with things. I think I know what's in that one. But before I get into those, I've also got these to get through. So what I think I'll do is we'll set 20 minutes on the clock, and when the time is up, the video's over, we'll roll over to a second video and possibly a third video with the amount of stuff that I've got to go through. Anyway, we'll put that down there. Yeah, I guess the post actually all started with these items. I think they are from the beginning of March. I think they're around that time, just before we went to the Royal Mints. And I try to keep the bags, but I've just ripped it, so never mind. I'll save that for another day, I think. So yeah, I got the first dinosaur, the Megalosaurus. This is the Megalosaurus, isn't it? Megalosaurus. So we got the bunk pack, the coloured bunk pack from the Royal Mint, and then I got 3 of these blue cards from Change Checker or Westminster, one and the same. Of course, I'm going to break 2 of these out of their cardboard prisons and put them into my album. So we're going to put them just to one side for a second. I got a couple of extra scratch cards, so that's cool. Put them down there. I'll make a video about these. I think once I get all 3, I think we'll make a video about all 3, and there's a little stand that comes with them when you pre-ordered them from the Royal Mint. Now let's open this one first, I think. In fact, let's split it up. Let's take these. We'll scoot these big ones away, and we'll just concentrate on these ones to start off with. Now this, I think, could be very special. It might be an idea I had for Dan Temple's 40th birthday, but with all this lockdown, the post hasn't been that reliable, and it has taken an age to get to me, and I guess it would take an age to pass on to Dan. Let's have a look. Chuck that away. And the incriminating evidence, as Caledonian Coins would say. We have to be careful of that. Don't want to flash my name and address all over YouTube. And then I don't want to flash the seller's name and address. That's a cool little envelope, isn't it? A little bubble wrap envelope. Oh, what happened there? Oh, it's reused. Okay. That's cool. Where'd you get those little envelopes from? Little bubble wrap envelopes. Ah, no, this is the Falklands one. So I bought an annual set for Dan Temple, a 1980 annual set, and it still hasn't arrived. But the other day, I watched Dan's birthday celebration video, I guess, and in it, someone already bought him the annual set for his birthday. So, so, sorry, Dan, I messed up. It just took too long to come in, and then you've already got one. So it looks like now hopefully I will have a 1980 annual set. But this is a very special Falklands annual set for 1982. While I was looking for Dan's present, I spotted this, and I just couldn't let this go. Now I can't remember how much I paid for this now. I'll try and put it up on the screen somewhere when I find out the details. But lovely. I love that colour. I tell you what, I would love that colour in a craft mat. If anybody knows where I can get a light blue craft mat, I've been looking for one for ages, and I just can't find one anywhere. Falkland Islands Liberation Proof Set, 1982. So this is just after the Falklands War, I'm guessing, which I remember watching that on the news. And look at that. That is pretty special. We've got a little card here on the back. All about it. It's nice to get. I'm guessing that's the same address, but a few years out of date, I guess. Now look at that. That is a beautiful set. That is stunning. There's a little bit of toning just around the 50p there and the 20p there. You can see that, but that's not bad. What's that? 38 years. That's pretty cool. And then we flip it over, and it's that middle. It's this middle coin that's really caught my eye on eBay, and it's a Liberation 4th of June 1982, And I thought it was some sort of Liberation Crown or some sort of something like that, but it actually says on the bottom there 50 pence. So I'm not sure what that coin is. Please let me know in the comments down below if you know exactly what that is called, and if it's just a large 50p or it's got a specific name. But look at those coins. We got the 5p, nice one there. The 10p, they are stunning designs. Got the 20p. Trying to get rid of the reflection if I can. The 50p. What is that meant to be? A wolf or? I don't know. That's the 1p. Penguins. That is a stunning 2p. And then a halfpenny. You can see that. But like I say, it's that one right in the middle with the Union flag on it that really caught my eye when I was looking on eBay. And that is a stunning, stunning set. So a little bit of toning, but I don't mind that. It gives it a bit of age, gives it a bit of authenticity. Wowee. My first Falklands coins as well. That is pretty special. I'm loving that. Cool, cool, cool. Right, okay, let's crack in on, because I've got about 11 minutes left. Right, let's put all this back. That is pretty special. I love the little envelope it comes in as well. That is smart. Very smart. Wow. Cool, cool, cool. Very nice, very nice. Right, okay, so we'll do this one next. This was, I think this is Royal Mint, and this was my second dinosaur, painted or coloured dinosaur 50p. More incriminating evidence, we'll get rid of that. But yeah, I'm going to do, like I say, a separate video for these coins. I think once I get all 3 of the dinosaurs. But that's pretty smart. That's from the Royal Mint, like I say. Nothing else in there, chuck that. And then we're on to some Change Checker or Westminster. Now I've opened these already because I was looking for something, a little present to give to a friend. So I have opened them already, but inside, some special deals, offers, replacement pages and things. Chuck them. What's this? Oh, a Gruffalo coin. Why didn't someone tell me? Loads of special offers. I really want that Jersey £1 coin. I really want it, but I don't want to pay 12 quid for a £1 coin. Don't know. Not sure. Bye. Ooh, another scratch card. Add it to my little stack down there. I don't know why. I think I accidentally ordered another Brexit coin. I've got a stack of these already. So I don't know why I got a blue carded one now then. Okay. Now, I'll leave that one till last because that one is pretty special. What's in here? Right. Another scratch card, trading card. Cool. Little pile of 4 now. This is the Iguanodon, oh whatever. That's my other. The second dinosaur, Iguanodon, something like that. Again, we're going to free a couple of those from their cardboard prisons and put them in my album. Was that it? Yep. Right. This one was 2020 Peter Rabbit impaled on the fence. It's a bit unfortunate, everybody keeps saying that, but yeah, I don't know if you can see that design very well with reflection, but anyway, so we got a couple of them again, and another trading card, scratch card, whatever you want to call them. Cool. What's that? 5 there now. I've got another couple spare somewhere, so that's 7 altogether. Okay, this one again. These are another trading card. These 3 are very, very special and hard to get, and I'm amazed I got 3 of them. Maybe I should have ordered more, but these are going for a bomb on eBay, and that is Gibraltar Breast Cancer Support. Is it called Breast Cancer Support Gibraltar? I think it says on there. It's a pretty stunning £2 coin. Very nice. And these, like I say, these are going for crazy money on eBay. 60, 70 quid for a £2 coin. and for somehow I got them off Change Checker for £12 or something, £10, £12, I cannot remember. Again, I will find out the price and I'll put that up on the screen somewhere. Lovely. So again, they are pretty special. I haven't figured out what I'm doing with my territories. I'm going to have to get a separate £2 coin territories page, I think, and start collecting them. So I'm going to have to order another set of pages from Change Checker, I think. So those three up there are pretty special. I've got 6 minutes left on the clock. So what I think we're going to do is open up some of these cardboard prisons and rescue the coins. Maybe not the Brexit coin, I think we'll leave that. But the bunnies and the dinosaurs, definitely. 2 bunnies, 2 iguanodons and 2 megalosaurus. The rest we'll keep. The rest, actually, we can go into my album, and at the back of my album, oh, it might not be in this book. Oh yes, it is, or maybe not. No, 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 no. It's in my older coin tuber album with the broken hinge. Thanks, Rachel. So this, I've got some pockets for these cards here, and in here I've got a Gruffalo and a couple of Stephen Hawkins. So what I'm going to do, shall I just put them in anywhere? Let's put on a new page. So we're going to have the dinosaur, Megalosaurus, Iguanodon next to them. God, these are just as hard as getting the coins in the pockets. There we go. We'll put the Brexit next row, and then we'll do another page just for these Gibraltar breast cancer support coins. And like I say, these are an investment, no doubt. These hopefully will go up and up and up and up and up and up and up in value, hopefully. 1 to collect and 2 as an investment. And that's it for a minute, I think. Right, close that up, move that away. 50p's. Gruffalo. We got Wallace and Gromit, Snowman, the Brexit coin there. Right, I've got to go and check with Change Checker because I'm just trying to think what order they go in, because the dinosaur, the Megalosaurus is after Brexit, isn't it? There wasn't anything else in between, but I get so confused. Ah, Team GB, that was it. Officially, or according to Change Checker, the Team GB coin is before the Brexit coin, but Brexit, and then the couple of dinosaurs, and then the Peter Rabbit. Right, what we got? 1 minute. I got 1 minute. Megalosaurus then. I'll keep that top space free for the Team GB maybe. Megalosaurus. There we go. This is my favourite bit. When you rip open the rest of the packet. Yay. And then, oh, fell out. But I've got some extra blue cards, blue coin holders. I'm just going to touch the edges. I'm not going to touch the face of the coin. Wow. How nice and sharp those edges are of the coin. When you get a brand new one that hasn't been rolling around in bags, scratching up against other coins, those edges are so sharp. So I always recommend to you wholeheartedly to get these blue cards, rip them open, free those coins from their cardboard prisons, and have a good feel of them. Get hold of them. Maybe put some gloves on if you want to, but get hold of the coins, open them up, get them in your album rather than sitting in these blue cards. If you've got a bunk pack from the Royal Mail, if you get a bunk pack from the Royal Mint, don't touch them. Don't open them, don't touch them. But these blue cards, I think it's alright personally. Certainly don't go crazy and do what Bungle does and touch every single coin he gets, pretty much. Come on. Well, this one wants to stay in prison. Nice little click. Always love that click. Iguanodon, whatever your name is. Lovely. And then I had a Peter Rabbit. I really want to put all the dinosaurs together, really. I don't know, might cheat. I might just cheat. Lovely. Another card. I bought a load of these last time just to sort of future-proof my album. There we go. I did put my finger on that one, so we're just gonna try and rub that bit out. Right, okay, done. I'll put Peter Rabbit there. I'll go with the official order, I guess, or what change check I think the official order is. Okay, I'm going to stop there. End of the video. We've got 3 more coins here to put into my secondary coin album, which is just basically a copy of this change checker album. I've got every 50p in there, right up to the Brexit coin. Of course, I am missing a Kew Gardens. I will probably have to buy another one of those off of eBay before too long, before they go too crazy with the price. Anyway, that's it for now. Look out for the second part of this little post-unboxing video. Please remember to go and like and subscribe this video. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another episode. But until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.